Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.2 question number 7. Exercise 2.2 question number 7. Question number 7, find the greatest number consisting of digit of 6 digits which is exactly divisible by 24, 15, 36. Right? See what they are asking. Find the greatest number consisting of 6 digits which is exactly divisible by 24, 15, 36. See here, greatest 6 digit number you know, right? First you should write the greatest 6 digit number. Greatest 6 digit number is, you know very well, right? Greatest 2 digit number, greatest 3 digit number means you people used to say 999 like that. So here also 6 nines will come, right? 6 digit number which is exactly divisible by 3 numbers are there. First you should find out the LCM of these 3 number. Use that and divide your greatest 6 digit number, right? LCM of to find LCM of 24, 15, 36. First you should find out the LCM. Use that and divide your 6 digit number. Right. Then the remainder should be subtracted from the 6 digit number. It will give you the greatest 6 digit number which is exactly divisible by 24, 15, 36. First step you want to find the LCM of 24, 15, 36. Right. See, all the 3 numbers are divisible by 3. So use 3 and divide. 8 3s are 5s are 12s are. Next. See, 2 things. 8 and 12 is divisible by 2. LCM only, no? So if one number is not divisible by the number, you leave as such, right? 4, 5, 6. Again, it is divisible by 2, right? Again, it is divisible by 2. 2, 5, 3. See, when you reach the prime number, you stop the division, right? LCM of 24, 15, 36 equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Got it? Now you have to multiply all the numbers. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12, 2 5s are 10, 10 into 3, 30, which is equal to 360. Right? First you should find out the LCM. Use that LCM and you are going to divide your 6 digit number. Right? See, which is your 6 digit number? Already you wrote the greatest 6 digit number. Right? Use your LCM and divide 360. How many times? 2 times. That is 720. 9, 7, 2. Then you will bring one 9 down. 9, 367s are, that is 2520. 2520972. Right. Now you see, again you bring one 9 down, again 7 times. So 2520. Here also the same, 279. You bring the 9 down, then it, what is that? Again 7 times. So 2520. Then what is the remainder here? What is the remainder here? You see 279. On dividing the 6-digit number, on dividing 99999 by 360, remainder is what? 279. Remainder is 279. That you have to subtract, right? Greatest number of 6 digit, greatest number of 6 digit divisible by 24, 15, 36 is equal to 99999 minus, you are subtracting your remainder from the greatest 6-digit number, then you arrive 999,720. So which 6-digit number is exactly divisible by the 24, 15, 60, 36? That is, the required number is 999,720. Normally the 6-digit number is 999999, but they are expecting which is exactly divisible by 24, 15, 36. So you find the LCM, use that LCM and divide your 6-digit number. You arrive the remainder as 279. That you have to subtract from the 6-digit number. You will arrive one result, that is 999,720. That number is the 6-digit greatest number, exactly divisible by 24, 15, 36. That's why I wrote the required number is 999,720. I hope you people understood. Now I am going to move to the question number 8. Right? Question number 8. What it is given? Question number 8. What is the smallest number that when divided 35, 56 and 91 leaves remainder 7 in each case? Okay, what number is given? You have to find out the LCM first, right? First you have to divide by the number. The remainder it is given, no, use that and divide. Remainder is 7, they said. Use the remainder and divide your given number. What is the given number? 35, 56, 91. Your remainder is 7. Use that and divide. 5, 8, 13. Right. The required number is LCM of 35, 56, 91 plus 7. Greatest number means you should subtract the remainder. Smallest means you should add the remainder. That's all. That is the difference between the greatest and the smallest. LCM of 35, 56, 91 equal to 7 into 5 into 8 into 13 plus, that's all. First you should multiply, afterwards you should add, right? 35 into 8 into 13, how much? 8 into 13. If you don't know, you have to multiply and see, right? 2, 8, 10, 104, right? 104, which is equal to 3640, which is equal to 3640. Now the required number is, that is the smallest number is, the required number is number equal to 3640. You should add the remainder. Smallest means you should add the remainder. Greatest means you should subtract the remainder, right? Now I am going to move to question number 9. That is the last question of the exercise, right? What it is given in question number 9, you see, find the least number that is divisible by the first 10 natural numbers, right? Least means you want to find LCM. The required number is the required number is the LCM of first 10 natural numbers. What is that 10 natural numbers? Anyone? Yeah, very good. 10 natural number means the numbers start with 1, right? First you should find out the LCM of 10 natural numbers, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First, you should start with 2. 2 is a prime number, right? 1. 1. If the number is not divisible by 2, you write as such. 2. 5. Here it is 3. 7. Here it is 4. Here it is 9. Here it is 5. Again, you have to divide by 2, right? You should move with the smallest prime number. 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 7, 2, 9. Here it becomes 5. Again, which number? 3. The next number is what? 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 5. Then which number you have to take? 5. The next number is 5. Take 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 7, 2, 3, 1. Right? At the end you arrive, the 3 numbers are prime numbers. That's all. You stop the division. Right? Now LCM of 10 natural, first 10 natural number is, first 10 natural number is equal to, I'll write it in the next line, children. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, right? Which is equal to 60 into 7 into 6. What can you get? 60 into 7, 420 into 6. 420 into 6, how much? Anyone? Yeah, very good. 0, 12, remaining 1, 2, 5, 2, 0. What is the least number divisible by the first 10 10 natural numbers? Sorry, 10 natural numbers, right? Therefore, the least number divisible by the least number divisible by first 10 natural number, 10 natural numbers is 10 natural numbers is what? 2520. Got it? Children, did you understand the thing what I did? Yeah. You have to go through. If you have any doubt, you should ask me tomorrow. I will explain again. Thank you, children.